All right, good morning. Here we are back in the workshop. Just finished up, haven't even cleaned up from my last sculpture, but I woke up with a huge inspiration today. A while back, I built a project called the Agape, I believe it would be. It's a portable gazebo with a giant silk parachute topping on it, with candles everywhere. I'll show you the picture right here. But it was never actually finished. Like, there was something I was missing, which my first thought was the candles, just like that are in the pavilion, on 3/4 inch pipes leading to it. I'm going to do that too. But then it hit me, they need smoke rolling off of them, the dry ice smoke. The same as you can see that I served the cheesecake under when a friend of mine proposed. I'll show you that right here. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build bowls underneath the candles. Not only the chandelier, the one on the poles, but the ones heading up to illuminate the walkway. It'll probably be almost 30 candles with glass chimneys in total. But my first thoughts were to use these mini bundt cake pans. I've also ordered some other pans, but they weren't, it was really bothering me. So you can do this, you can absolutely do this, mount a little spacer on them so they're sitting up, drop your dry ice in, pour a little water on it. But I think since I'm going to commit to actually building stuff on video, I'm going to form my own. I don't know if I'm going to do formed bowls, artistic looking, like creative, ornate bowls hammered in the dishing stumps I've got, or if I'm going to do flower petals. This is a smaller one. I've got lots of videos on making flowers. You can see these candle stands right here have the flower. So I'd go out to about a 6 or 8 inch. And then probably have to build them downwards or upward. I don't know, we'd figure that on the fly. That's easy there. So I'm gonna show you the part that I've never actually shown, which is my prototyping. Usually I spend a day or two before I do a video doing prototyping, doing everything off camera so you don't see any of my mistakes, but I'm gonna let you watch from start to finish in real time. So let's just get started. I've got stainless steel here in case I want a shiny look. This is probably 18, maybe 20 gauge. I've got some 22 gauge sheet metal. I've got some 18 gauge sheet metal. I've got some galvanized metal. I don't know nothing about it. It was in the backyard for years. So yeah, let's just, if I can use the galvanized, because I haven't found a use for it ever, and paint it, then that would be ideal. But I'm thinking underneath all the black of all the candles and everything that the nice shiny stainless might, so it might look better. Let me finish my sentence there. It might actually look better being the nice shiny stainless. I'm going to start with that, and then I've got a thicker sheet of stainless over there that might be too thick. This might be too thin. Like I said, this is just, let's just see what happens here. All right, let's get started. All right, this is it. Got a lot to learn about dishing, which I'm gonna make at least 2 or 3 dozen of these, so I'll have time to learn as I go. I might stick with this style form. I seem to like it. It seems like the smoke, the dry ice would roll out of there. Really, really nice. We'll just have to see. Prototyping it out. Just wanted to get a visual and sit on it for a few days. I'll be starting these next week. So yeah, let's go. I'll bring you in close to get some pictures of it.